Sensory Surface Sprays Manufacturing and Sales, Taminda, New South Wales. This business offers flexibility and low overheads as the product can be made and sold from any location. Maka-Ala sensory surface sprays are designed to replace the need for both cleaning and fragrance products. New and unique, they can be used as a linen and room spray to refresh homes, workplaces, and vehicles. With sustainability a driving force, the luxury formulations are plant-based, safe, and artistically presented in amber glass bottles. Supplying retail, trade, and wholesale markets, the scent formulation and design make this product stand out from its competitors. This sale includes stock, equipment, manufacturing supplies, an e-commerce website, artwork, marketing material, and more. With all formulations and procedures supplied and easy access to materials, the new owner can start production immediately. Requiring 7 to 21 hours work per week, clients range from the public to builders, real estate agents, gift stores, and resellers. This business is perfect for anyone looking for additional income, as it can be easily run from home and is flexible. It would also be an excellent addition to any business already selling to the home and lifestyle industry.